Hey there everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today is day number 5. In this video series, I'm showing you step by step each day the email to send to promote your HBA business or your Home Business Academy business with a lead system called My Lead Gen Secret. This is where you're able to get 100 leads each and every day to send your offers to. And this is a fantastic strategy in order to grow your HBA business. So, today, we are going to be looking at day 5. If you're new to the channel, please be sure to check out day number 1 in the description below. Definitely don't want you to miss out on the strategy that we're using for this business. And so for day number 5, we're first going to go to the Word document in the description below. You're going to see this. If you have not done so, please be sure to go ahead and make a copy for yourself. Click on make a copy. And then we're going to scroll down to day number 5 or email number 5. Then what we're going to do is we're going to copy and paste the subject and body back into our MLGS account. So we'll go ahead and grab that subject, come over to the mailing system. What you're going to want to do is if you're coming into the home screen, click on the mailing system tab. Select all of your leads, scroll down, go ahead and paste that into the subject line. Come back over, we'll grab the body, Control Copy or Control C. We're going to do Control A and Control V. Control A one more time. Trying to give you the shortcuts along the way so it just makes this process that much easier. And you'll find that we're probably able to get these done in a lot less time simply because of that. Come over and do that norm div. That just makes it look, just condenses it down, makes it look really nice. We'll come over, and then what we need to do is we'll add our name real quick. And then we need to go back over and grab our affiliate link. So if you've been following this series, what we did in the very beginning was step 1 was just to add your link right here. But if you need to go and find that, it is in your HBA back office. It's actually through Samcart. And you would come in here. This is what it looks like right here. And then you'd scroll down to this one called All-in-One $25 Business. This is the video sales letter. We'll copy that link. And then you come back over, go ahead and highlight there, click on the link button, paste our affiliate link in there, and then we'll go ahead and bold it. Then you'll click the perfect timing. And since I've already sent mine for today, what you'll see down here in the right-hand corner is a preview button as well as a submit email button. Make sure that you just double check it before you send it, and then you can go ahead and fire that off. Remember, you can always add additional MLGS accounts. These are a very inexpensive way to get your offer in front of more people. All you need to do is just rinse and repeat the process. If you do add another account under yourself, you will find that instead of getting 100 leads per day, you will be getting 200 leads per day. So you'll be able to double your audience size with your first account while adding an additional 100 leads per day to that second account. All right, that's it for today. Take care and see you tomorrow for day number 6.